Hello everyone, today inshallah we are going to start Unit 10, Happy Ending. Lesson 3, I would study math. These sentences look similar but they are used in different ways. First we have reading. A reading, match the sentences below with the heading. Write the letter of each sentence in the correct box. An advertisement. Number 2, wish. Number 3, a promise. Number 4, statement. Number 5, advice. 6, a warning. Okay, we're going to read the sentences now. Saudi Stars language quiz. A, you like math and science, but I would study math at university if I were you. If I were you, I would study math at university. So what do you think here? Factual statement, wish, advice, a promise, or warning? B, I won't call you unless I can't find uncle's house and I am lost. Okay, mom? Now, C, if a fire is detected, an alarm will sound. Keep calm and leave the building immediately. Leave the building immediately. D, I would visit more famous places if I had longer holiday there. E, if customers go to our stores right now, they will get 25% discount in our sales. F, if you heat the water, it will evaporate in about 5 minutes. Okay, so we have E, it's an advertisement. Now we are going to match the sentences with the heading below. Okay. Number 1, you like math and science, but I would study math at university if I were you. So, what do you think? 1 with E. Sorry. Yes, A, if I were you. This is advice. So advice with A. I won't call you unless I can't find uncle's house and I am lost. Okay, mom, so this is what? This is warning. Yes, 6 with B. If a fire is detected, an alarm will sound. Keep calm and leave building immediately. What do you think? Sorry, we're going to correct something. 6 with C. Okay. I would visit more famous places if I had longer holiday here. D with 2, a wish. If customers got our stores right now, they will get 25% discount in our sales. This is an advertisement. If you heat a water, it will evaporate in about 5 minutes. So if it's a factual statement. Number B, I want, sorry, it's not B. I won't call you unless I can find uncles and I'm lost. Okay, mom, so 3 with B. Okay. Okay. Speaking, working pairs, ask and answer, say, follow sentences. If I had to study math or geography at university, which would you choose? Would you call your mother if you had a problem? As an adult, what would you do if you were in a building when a fire alarm sounded? Would you visit a lot of famous sites if you went to a new place? Would you shop at store if you were offered a 25% discount? How would you evaporate water if you use electricity or gas? Working pairs, ask and answer, say, follow sentences. Number 1, if I had to study math or geography at university, which would you choose? You can say, if I had to study math or geography at university, I would choose math because I'm not good at science, for example. Number 2, would you call your mother if you had a problem as an adult? If I had, the full sentences will be, if I had a problem as an adult, I would call my mother, yes. 3, what would you do if you were in a building when a fire alarm sounded? If I were in a building and the fire alarm sounded, I would run. Would you visit a lot of famous sites if you went to a new place? If I went to a new place, I would visit famous sites. Yes. So you will do the rest as the same way. D, pronunciation. Listen and circle what you hear, A or B. Okay, so please listen.
Lesson 3. I'd study maths. Track 44. Exercise D. Pronunciation. Listen and circle what you hear, A or B. 1.
If I were you, I'd take it back to the shop.
2. If I had some money with me, I'd buy a pair. 3. The liquid won't evaporate unless you boil it for a minute. 4. I'll help you if it's difficult. 5.
If he came with us on the trip, he'd enjoy himself.
6.
I won't call you unless I arrive late.
Okay. Please check your answers. So A, 2A, 3A, 4B, 5A, 6B. Language help. Read and remember. Use unless with the first conditional. Unless it rains, we will eat outside. Use the first conditional to talk about something which you like, which you think will happen. Use second conditional to talk about something which is not very probable, okay? Now we're going to explain the first conditional and the second conditional. First conditional, if you study, please notice that we have the first form of the verb study. Study, studied. So in first conditional, we use a study, the present. If you study hard, you will pass the exam. We use this first conditional when we think this is true. In second conditional, if you if you studied hard, you would pass. So we use in the second conditional the second form of the verb. If you studied hard, you would pass the exam. Okay, now we have unless. What does it mean, unless? Unless means if not. So if not it rains, we will eat outside. Unless it rains, we will eat outside. So if it's not raining, if it's not rains, we will eat outside. Okay? Write first and second conditional in your notebook. Number 1, Ali, feel better, come with us. We will use the first conditional and second conditional. And with sentence 1, if Ali feels better, he will come with us. Second conditional, if Ali's felt, the second form of the verb, better, he would come with us. Okay? Number 2, you work hard, pass your test. If you work hard, you will pass your test. This is the first conditional. In second conditional, if you worked hard, you would pass the test. Number 3, our team win. We be very surprised. If our team win, we will be very surprised. This is the first conditional. The second conditional will be if our team won, we would be very surprised. Surprised, yes. Here, please check your answers. If our team wins, we will be very surprised. If our team won, we would be very surprised. Number 4, if Nadia has a problem, we will help her. Second conditional, if Nadia had a problem, we would help her. Number 5, if you want to buy a mobile, I will give you money. This is first conditional. Second conditional, if you wanted to buy a mobile, I would give you money. Okay. Next exercise, H, grammar. Rewrite the sentences in your notebook. Use unless. Remember, unless means if not. We will sit outside if it's not hot. So we will remove the negative, and if, then we will use unless. So we will sit outside unless it's too hot. Number 2, Lena will come at 6 if she's not busy. If she is not busy. The answer will be Lena will come at 6 unless she is busy. So remove if and the negative. I will have water if you don't have juice. I will have water unless you have juice. Please check your answers. Lina's will come at 6 unless she is busy. I will have water unless you have juice. Number 4, I will walk unless there is no bus. Okay, so remove if and remove the negative. Mom will be cross unless you tidy up. Okay. Speaking, working groups, look at the conditional sentence in exercise A on page 82. For each conditional sentence, make a short dialogue, include the conditional in your dialogue. Practice your dialogue. Perform a dialogue for the class. For example, you like math and science, but I would study math at university if I were you. Would you? Uncle, why? Because I think it's more useful. Okay? That's it. Thank you for watching.